This donut shop has easily become one of my favorite spots to hit up when I'm in Southern California. The Oliboli, specializing in sourdough-based donuts, here on this episode on Haroon Eats and Travels.
We are in Southern California, hitting up the local donut shops. Some of these shops were recommended by my cousins, friends, and family down here in Southern California. And being that Vanna's family owns the Livermore Donut Wheel, a shop that has been around and is a staple of the Bay Area community, man, you know, for over 60 years, man. You have to give the other donut shops some love and a try as well. So we are here at the Oliboli in Tustin, man. And my cousin recommended this shop, and they were pretty adamant that this is one of the best donut shops here in Orange County. But we're about to put that to the test. We're gonna try it out right now.
You gotta love the shops that have a family heirloom recipe that is passed on from generation to generation, and a spot that makes donuts to order, meaning whatever you order is definitely gonna be fresh and hot. And there aren't too many donut shops that serve up specialty coffee as well.
We got a variety of different donuts. We got the pistachio, we got the banana cream pie, the strawberry cheesecake, the butter pecan, and the regular glaze. What we're gonna do though, man, we're gonna start at the baseline though, guys. We have to always make sure that the regular glazed donut is legit, right? So we're gonna take a look at that first and then give it a try. I will say first things first, guys, these are warm and right out of the fryer. Very fluffy. Oh my God, this is light. Very, very light. And let's pop this thing open. Let's see what this is like. Oh man, look at that tear though, bro. Look at that. It's nice. This is the way my wife actually makes her donuts, man. You see that stickiness right there? That's perfect. This donut has been fried to perfection. Not overly fried, as you can see. Oh, that's good. Oh, hell yeah. That is really good.
Should I try it?
You should try it.
Right, let's put this to the test. Ooh, I love the light and fluffiness of the donut.
Yeah.
The stretchiness of it and the glaze. Ooh, it's so light. Most of the donuts I've had, they're a lot more heavier, but this is like really light, and that's how it's supposed to be made. Light and fluffy. Ooh, it's so good.
Alright guys, so next on the hit list is this pistachio glaze. As you can see, they didn't hold back on the pistachio, man. And again, nice and fluffy, nice and warm. And I'm gonna hand this off to the rest of the fam. I'm gonna take a bite of this, man. I would eat these donuts all by myself, you know what I mean? Because they're that good. That's different. Bro, that pistachio glaze. See, I love pistachio. So, this donut is not overly sweet. It's got that nice nuttiness from the pistachio. That's the one right there. That's mine. That's one of my favorites, right? Is that pistachio. I like texture. I'm more about, I love flavor. I love texture. So next on the hit list is the butter pecan, man. Nice and stretchy dough. And of course, I love butter pecan, man. So this better be good. You know what I mean? This has a lot of hype to live up to. Oh, you could definitely smell the butter pecan, and it smells nice and sweet. Has that nutty smell to it, man. This is nice and salty and sweet. So you got that savory and that sweetness to it. Boy, this is hella good. This one's, Vanna, you gotta try this one. This one is the one. I'm telling you. I thought the pistachio was good. I thought the glaze was good. But this is really good.
I love the smell of donut.
Yeah, it smells good.
It's not greasy. It doesn't smell greasy. It smells donutty. It smells delicious. Oh yeah.
That's good, right?
I like this one. It's sweet. It's salty. It's nutty. It's crunchy. It's like a good mixture. It's like, oh, this is really good. I like the hint of salt in there.
Yeah, like that salty sweetness. You get that savory and sweet to it, right?
Oh wow, this is my favorite.
Butter pecan is the one. This is the banana cream, and this is really heavy. And I'm gonna put this down. I'm not gonna rip this one open, dude, because it's gonna get messy all over the place. while I'm not gonna break it, man, I'm gonna be greedy. I'm gonna be a little bit greedy, man. I'm just gonna take a big bite of this one. All right, bro. I can't even put this in my mouth.
Pause.
I get some on my nose. Oh, this is good too. This one is good. Gotta get a piece of that banana. I don't know what they use for the crumbs, but this is hella good.
Okay, look at this massive donut. I love the airiness of the dough itself. That's like perfectly made. Oh yeah, I like this one. It's like a banana cream pie, but on a donut.
That's really good.
Very sweet. But the banana kind of settles the flavor, the sweetness, so it balances it perfectly. This is one of my favorite too.
What differentiates Oliboli from the rest of the donut shops that it is a sourdough-based donut. You know what I mean? So they use sourdough. It takes like there's a 40-hour fermentation process that goes along with creating these donuts, man. So this is not just your like quick run-of-the-mill donut shop, man. This is like a family-owned heirloom recipe donut shop, man. You know what I mean? Here in Tustin. And the cool thing about it is that they make the donuts. All the donuts are made to order, meaning they don't have a display full of donuts. You tell them what you want, and they'll make it for you. Nothing has been sitting around. Everything is nice and fresh. What's on your nose?
Banana cream.
Oh my God! Take it off. So we picked this donut. I don't know what this is. The strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake, yeah.
All right, guys. Again, this is one of them donuts where I'm just gonna have to take a bite into it. Bro, I got it all over my face. Hold on.
What?
This is cream cheese icing, actually, right? This is like a cream cheese icing with like little. I don't know what these bits are.
Is it cream cheese whipped?
It is. So it's not that sweet, actually. The jelly that they use, the strawberry jelly, is really good. Me, I'm getting to that age where I love my sweets, but I don't like it overly sweet, right? Where it kind of like kills your taste bud. This is a good mesh of flavors, and yeah, this is actually a really good donut. To be honest with you, though, guys, my two favorites though here are the butter pecan and the banana cream. Those are my two favorites so far. This is a good donut though, but it is, for me, it's a little messy. But what I like about it is that it's not overly sweet. So guys, I had gotten this cold brew. I needed the cold brew, man. I haven't had coffee in a few days. And as you can see, if you see my previous videos for this week, man, my eyes were droopy. I didn't get my caffeine fix, man. You know what I mean? But I'm back now, man. Mr. Caffeinated, aka Haroon, aka Haroony Tunes, aka Haroon Eats and Travels, man. Back at it again. And actually, my wife got a latte as well. I don't remember what it was, but it's a specialty coffee latte. I think they used vanilla bean in there, and it actually has like real vanilla bean in there. All right, my wife got this vanilla bean coffee, and this is I think they have a special coffee distributor. So let me see what this tastes like. That's good. It's different. Very subtle. Definitely not as bitter as your typical coffee, so the notes are a little bit different as well, man. I think I think they use real vanilla bean in here as well, so this is actually really good. Just wrapped up at Oliboli Donuts. All the donuts are sourdough-based donuts, made to order, man. So whenever you order something, you're gonna get it nice and fresh, pop right there for you. You may have to wait a little bit, unlike your, regular donut shops, mom and pop donut shops, where you have to wait. You don't have to wait. You can just pick whatever you want. But over here, you're guaranteed that they're fresh. And it is an amazing spot. Definitely recommend you coming by Oliboli Donuts here in Tustin, California. All right, fam. Till next time. Peace.
Yo, definitely loved Oliboli Donuts in Tustin, California. And best believe, anytime I'm in this area, I'm definitely going to stop by and get my donut fix from here. And fam, if you've been to the Oliboli, let us know what you guys tried. What did you like? What did you love? What didn't you like? Drop it in the comment section for your boy. And until next time, peace.